What is up, everyone? Welcome to August haul. This is everything that I found for this month. Check it out. Hey. Hi.
My name is Noah.
Your name's Noah. My name is Nathan. What is your name again?
Noah.
Yeah, so this is what I found for the month of August. And let's just get into it. So it started out real quick. So this is from Tough Gears. This is from hold on guys. Okay, so we have a co-host. My son. Welcome to the car review. He watches a lot of Ryan. So let's get into it. Tough Gears. Buy it at HEB. Thought this was a pretty cool truck. Don't know the model. See if we can get a quick glimpse of it. 1950 Chevy pickup. I think that's what it says there. So that was a beautiful truck. So this is from Tough Gears. This is a 1978 Dodge L2 Red Express truck. Very cool color, blue with yellow tempos. Got another one, King Kuda, very cool casting. Got that one, last one. This one was Noah's. This is Minecart. ¿De qué es esto?
W.
The car review. Pero ¿de qué juego es? What game? ¿De dónde sale este? Aquí arriba dice, mira. What is it? Minecraft.
What a W.
You still don't know how to play Minecraft, but he sees his cousins. Here is a quick bite.
It's a W.
Cool.
Hey.
Yeah, it's a
What a W.
car review.
No.
No.
What a
69 Chevelle
W.
in orange.
Papi.
Mande.
Lo de W.
Allá arriba. ¿Quién es ese?
It's a W.
Sí. King Kuda, another one, but in red. Awesome. This is a 56 Ford F10 in that white with the card. Oh, bless you.
Papi.
56
Papi,
Ford
papi,
F100, another one.
Dame
¿Esto? Tíralo a la basura.
No.
Sí, es un globo que ya se reventó. Yeah, I speak Spanish to my child because that's what we speak in our home. Grumobile, very cool. Got a couple of those. And let's do the Matchbox next. So this is a Mercedes-Benz W123 wagon. Cool color, an avocado color. Here we got a 16 BMW i8. Very nice car. Got all the tempo. Allá en tu cuarto. Yeah, the puzzles. We're putting them in your room. 56 Jaguar XK140 Roadster. Awesome. This is a beauty.
It's my favorite.
It's your favorite.
Yeah.
72 Lotus Europe Special. Oh, we got this one last month. We already have one of them. We got two now. Awesome. We got a Porsche Panamera. Also like the Porsches, and this one's more special because it has all the tempos, as you can see. Very cool, detailed. And we got here another Roadster, 56 Jaguar
Papi.
XK140 Roadster.
My favorite.
Your favorite? ¿Cuál es tu favorite? Ese troquita. Go for it, bro. Open it. Open it for the peeps. A ver, enséñamelo. Oh, that's your favorite? You got good taste, bro.
Huh?
You got good taste. Yeah, good taste in cars.
Look, people.
Look, people. Yeah, you got awesome taste. Alright, let's continue it. No. Ya no, ahorita. We got these Matchbox moving parts. And this is a 64 Pontiac Grand Prix. Look at that. It's a beauty. Got another moving parts. This is a remote Trezor. No. Concept. In gray. Let's do this quick. 2000 Nissan Xterra. I was gonna get two of those. 83 Buick Rivera convertible. Very cool Rivera. Last but not least, found this Diego Luna. I don't know his name of the character. Where would it say? Up here. This is Captain Cassian Andor Jeddah. So, see, so I already opened this one. Because why not? Found this for a good price. Believe it or not. Diego Luna. That's the name of the actor that portrays that guy right there. Handsome MF. Got it because he's one of my favorite actors, and because he's Mexican, and because I love the Rogue One. There he has his little gun. Espérame. I know I'm showing it. I'm showing it off. I'm showing it off, bro. So you can take off the gun, put it in his hand and whatnot. So yeah. Hold on, buddy. Well, no, let him play with that. Okay. I'm almost done. Yeah, I'm gonna say goodbye. Showing off everything that we found this month. This is everything that we have found for the month of August. Check it out. It's not much, decent, but it's all good. So I hope you all have a good day. Good luck hunting, and have a good one, y'all. Peace. Bye.
Bye, people. I'll meet you.